is my eye like this? Why is my eye like that? It's the color. Hi everyone, this is Ivy Crearts and welcome back to my channel again. And for today's video, we are going to unbox this package that I got from Amazon. And I just got back from vacation, 4 days fall break, and I have this package waiting for me. Let's open it. Okay. This will be for my online class and vlogs. Alright, here we go. First, what? This is, okay, the first one is a lavalier microphone for my cell phone, and this big one. Let's open this one first. It's 16 feet lavalier microphone and Pop Voice. Thank you, Pop Voice. Let's open it. It comes with 4 replacement filters for the microphone, PC adapter or laptop adapter, and of course the microphone with a clip and a replacement clip. So this one is 16 inches. That's good. And with a really cute bag from Pop Voice. Yes. Okay. You can use it with PC, laptop, cell phones, iPad. There's a guide as well. Yes, a pouch, a PC adapter with the Velcro and wind muff. Wind muff pala yun. 4 wind muff. Okay, and the most awaited part is this. The most awaited part. Next part of our program is to open the there's 1, there's 2, and this is from, and there's 3 with a cute box, and this is from Let's Come ring fill light from Let's Come. So let's open this one. This should be the tripod, right? Yes. And this is versatile, so because I can also use this with my camera. So there's an adjustment here you can twist. I used this before already. I mean, I used this kind of tripod already, so I kind of already knew how to use it. I already know how to use it. So you can do that. You can push it more, and then it could extend. And this is where you put your camera or your ring light, like that. Okay, that's our tripod. Next is, ta-da! It will be the ring light. Ta-da! This is our ring light. And how many inches is this? Thank you for your purchase. 10.5, I think so. There is 1 year warranty. Yes, you have to keep that. Used ring lights before as well, but this time I purchased my own. It's an investment because I can use this for my online classes and for my YouTube. And here are the parts. Okay, first is, of course, you have the ring light. It will have 3 colors. We have white light, warm light, which is the yellowish, and then the blue light. And this is the remotes, yes, for Android and iOS. It's a Bluetooth remote shutter. And these are, let's see, so I won't miss the names. Ring light, we have tripod stand, we have ball head. This is the ball head. And then flexible phone holder, which is this one. Phone holder. And then this is another phone holder and another fixed phone holder. And then we're gonna set it up, okay? All right, hold on. So first is we are going to install the ring light here. Now that is tight already. This. Aha. And this is the white light. And then increase the brightness. Dim light. And blue. And then yellow. I hope you can tell the difference. White, yellow, yellow, white, blue. Okay. So let's turn it off for now. Next is you are going to put the phone holder. So this is the phone holder. You're going to put it here. And it swivels. See? It swivels. So you can put your phone holder here. So the phone holder can go that way. So there's like that. So it says you can also install your phone on the stand using the fixed phone holder. You have to take this one out so it will loosen. See, now it's loose. It's loosened like so, like that. See, so you can adjust it. Now it's loose. And then let me just take everything out like that. Okay. Alright, so there are two adjustments for this one. So once it's loosened, here you can use this for a thinner tripod, but this one is for a thicker handle. And if it's thin, you can put this, and if it's not, you can take it out. And since this is thick, I can see that one. And then like that, and then just tighten it like so. So I'm gonna here, okay. Now it's already tight, and you can put the phone holder here. And then this phone holder, you're gonna put it here. It shovels again. So look. So if you are going to do it horizontally, you can do that. If you want vertical, you can also use the other side. Like that, and then it's, see, so you can put another phone here like so, and adjust it like that. So there you can put two phones, put over here. So you have two phones. If you want to record like two sides, you can move it like that. The second phone, you can adjust it if you want like to capture different angles. You can move it So when you wanna do it higher or lower. So if you're doing like a tabletop demonstration, for example, you can adjust it, which is really cool, right? And there you have it. So I'm using the ring light right now. It's behind my camera, my phone. And yes, so those are the packages that I got. It's an investment, but I think it's worth it because I can use it for my online classes and for my YouTube vlogs. See you later. Thanks for watching.